Kuliah Fibro Section 4 kijimtip namta ki result ki badai hapo ka kene ka Department of Health and Family Welfare then kini ki ba apply ti kitip bahai kane ka de hapo Meghalayan Medical Drugs and Service Limited te kini ki de jong ka post of X-ray technician on contractual basis te ki candidate ki bala select ne list of successful candidate for the post of X-ray technician on contractual basis under Meghalayan Medical Drug and Services Limited as per the personal interview held on 6 May 2024. Kaneka result release 3 June 2024. Selected candidate tekidon kandai ngot candidate kibla asya select Banshan lang pengrup napo East Khasi Hill, Rimi Daka Biam napo East Khasi Hill, Lashamha Marpana napo Ribhoi District, Haka Dahun Nong Tudu Ribhoi District, Benan Sius Kendaj West Jaintia Hill, Dapoitre I Lamar West Jaintia Hill, Champalang Gatpho West Jaintia Hill, Simeon K Savian West Khasi Hill, Da P Larissa Karmolong West Khasi Hill. Remark selected. And candidate on waiting list Nazarin Eltron is Khasi Hill, Bala Risha Lingdok Marshilong is Khasi Hill, Pibawanda Merinurum is Khasi Hill, Susanas E is Khasi Hill, Kidan Sangut ki waiting list, waitlisted, then Napo Darika Taryang West Jaintia Hill, Kermi Ki Pakma West Jaintia Hill, then Mackenzie Carson Tiu West Jaintia Hill, Lamprang Lapasam West Jaintia Hill, Kidan Sangut Kineru ki waiting list, and Cheerfulness Lingdok Kinshi, but Sun Borlang Wanyang Napo West Khasi Hill, Kidan Arngut ki waiting list, they can have up Lara Kimdon ki bajoin negite kin sayo kini. This is a list is valid for a period of 1 year from the date of issue. Kavalik long name. The selected candidate is required to report to the office of the undersigned. Tekine ki bala apply ki bala yo kila tip hin mar bakila lej interview. Te select kabaron kam te congratulations yekine ki khandai ngut ki bala select namda kane post of X-ray technician. Te kadon biang sakawai ka post jong ka legal counsel ma list of successful candidate for the post of legal counsel on retainership basis under Meghalayan Medical Drug and Services Limited as per the personal interview held on 15 May 2024. Kanero release mta kasingi 4 June arjar saw. Selected candidate Andrew Rinbon Pasa and candidate on waiting list is Stevie Reiner Lingdo, Bapi Dalarisa Jarwa and Lavinia Janice Ware, Sharon Eva Gracia Raji. The list is valid for a period of 1 year from the date of issue. Selected candidate is required to report to the office of the undersigned. Candidate ki bala select report ha connect office kaba ada pentip hangne Meghalayan Medical Drugs and Services te pipilale interview hangno office te pilatip ada kade ha ka office jong ka health ne kan office hangno pilatip te tanggine hi jing petip abe de begne ki result jong ka Meghalayan Medical Drug and Services Limited tanggine jing petip kulisuan.